45 bucks. $45.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. That's nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nice. That's my end. Can I come in? All right. I'll let you shut it. Nice.
You did it to yourself. Now you're all by yourself. Acting like you hate me. I love you because you made me. You played me to the left. Now there's nobody left to hear you're complaining. I'm gone, and all you're hearing is your... Nobody near you. Started off great, but who was to know? Love is love, do not be let go. You say it's my fault, okay then I'll go. It's better to know, now it's nobody to... Trust, I'll just know I no more. Just went with the flow, found myself on the road. You went away, all my pain went astray. Like it's a new day, now I have no one to...
Man, I like that. And it doesn't fall off. That sounds great.
12 C5s on 3 4Ks.
There you go, man. Nice job. Efficient. Who built this enclosure? Nice work, man. Thank you. This is great. Really nice. Is this so it's a 6-door, I guess, because in the back
Yeah,
port.
it's a 1.5 to 1 6-door.
Okay. Very nice work. You know your tunings on it?
Yeah, 23 on the rear and 45 on the front.
Okay. Nice job. Okay. Did you build is it steel cage or metal build into it? Yeah. This looks really good. I like it, man.
Give the roof a punch real quick.
But what am I getting?
Hit it up. The roof.
Oh wow, and there's no break. I mean, that's solid, man. Nice job.
So,
yeah, that's good. Okay.
That's the shell.
Yeah.
2x4 is glued. I doweled them all together.
Okay.
That way they don't come apart.
Yeah.
And then I glued in the seams. I mean.
Yeah, that's solid. Yeah. You don't even have.
Solid.
Yeah, and you utilize your space all the way over. Nice. That looks good.
Last night we were texturing at 2 in the morning. Painted it this morning.
There you go. This morning.
Tuned it before we came here. When I pulled up, I saw you walking. I said,
oh yeah. Oh yeah. First demo. Nice and cold. So what are your amps wired to?
0.7, 0.66.
0.66.
Even my mids.
Okay. Your mids are 0.6. Okay.
It's got 180 amp hour lithium.
Yeah. Nice. It's really good. Those the alternators? What's your alternators?
390 and 270.
390, 270. Okay. Excuse me, sorry.
Better to know now it's nobody to argue with. Cause I'm not alone. Don't care who you're with. Don't call my phone. Or did you forget? You know you're wrong.
Nobody.